Cheap Nails with your host, Vanna, where we have fabulous nail art but on a budget. I will put the price of all the stuff I use in the description box, okay? So you can really see what is she using and how much is this. You could do some prying in the description box if you want to know. But in this video, I'm going to be doing my favorite thing ever, nail foiling. I literally just started doing it not too long ago, but I love it. And I feel like I've kind of gotten in the groove of it because I've tried different things out and I think I got the right glue and everything. In this video, I'll be using my new nail foil that I got, which I think is so pretty. It's the Starry Night transparent nail foil. It has a giant name, but I love it. So yes, let's go try out. I think I'll try out this one. I don't know. I'll decide in the video. Let's go to the video. Look, let's go down to that video. I started off by painting all of my nails white. And then I'm going to take this awesome star glue and I'm going to put it on all of my nails. And this glue, I'll tell you why it's awesome. Because it's made specially for nail foil. So I'm just going to go ahead and slab that on all of my nails. And now that it is dry, I am going to take and, well, first I got to pick. Let me pick between all these wonderful foils. And I think I'm going to pick this light blue one because, I don't know, it just caught my eye. I think it's beautiful. And I'm going to take my scissor and, of course, I'm going to cut some pieces off to use. And I think I'm going to cut about 5 pieces for all of my, I'm going to cut up 1 piece for all of my fingers. And I'm going to, of course, save the rest because you get a lot of foil in these packages. And then I'm just going to press it on my nail as I've done in my other videos, just the same. Okay, I think I got that one pretty good. And now I'm just going to move on and do all my other nails. Okay, since all of my nails are foiled now, I'm going to go ahead and take my HK01 stamping plate, and I'm going to take some of this white stamping polish, and I'm going to put it on half of the image that I want to pick up, and I'm going to scrape it with my Born Pretty scraper, and I'm going to pick it up with my Born Pretty jelly stamper. I'm going to stamp this design on my ring finger. And I really like this design because I think it's kind of like white leaves on my nail. That's why I kind of chose it for this. And I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing. Repeat myself here. And I'm going to put this stamp on my index finger. And there we go. I cleaned up around the nail and that's what it looks like. I kind of like how there's little white flowers, little white leaves. And I'm going to go ahead and put a very special to me top coat on my foil because you don't want to tint the foil. I've spoke about this in another nail design and I'll put it up in the cards. When I foiled my nails perfectly, you can watch that video if you want to hear about the top coats. But I'm just going to go ahead and add some bows and these nails are done. Tell me what you guys think down below. And I really love this foil and I don't think my camera really does it justice because it's really shiny and just awesome. But yeah, I love this design and I hope you guys like this design too. Oh, that's all. Okay guys, that's all for that design, and I think it's great because I just love the foil that this foil I got. I'm just loving it. It's like a 10-piece set that I got off of eBay, and it's in my mind is amazing. I'm just kidding. What? I just can't get it right. We sit here for 20 hours and I can't say there's air in my mouth. I can't just easily say goodbye. Okay, guys, that's it for this design. I don't know why it's so hard for me to film right now and talk. Ugh. Well, I'm going to have it all together in next week's video, I hope. So I'll see you then. Goodbye!